Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to get Google AdSense approval very fast. Google AdSense. So Google AdSense is one of the best ways through which you can monetize your blog online. So and is the biggest boon in the market. There are a whole lot of other monetization networks out there. We have MGID. Then we still have Propeller Ad. We still have Media.net. We have other monetization platform out there, but Google AdSense is one of the best and is the best in the market. Not one of the best actually, is the best in the market. So you can monetize your blog and start making money online. So I'll be showing you how you can get Google AdSense very fast, what and what you need to do, and when that you will apply for Google AdSense and get approved on at their platform. So they will start showing ad on your blog, and when somebody visits your blog and find interest in any of the ad being served by Google and click on it, Google will pay you some percentage of the money which the advertiser used to run that ad. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. Welcome back. If you intend monetizing your blog through Google AdSense, there are some steps of things. There are some things that you need to put in place in your blog before applying for Google AdSense. Otherwise, you'll be rejected. And Google AdSense rejection is something that most bloggers avoid seeing, because when you see that kind of mail on your Gmail, you have this kind of shock. You have this kind of shock after putting a whole lot of effort, after putting a whole lot of content on your blog, and you apply for the first time for Google AdSense, and you are see Google rejection mail. So it's not good. It's not good. So, but there are things that you need to put in place before applying for Google AdSense. And the first of that is web design. Your blog design must be okay. You don't apply for AdSense while you have not finished designing your blog. So you must first of all have a good design. The blog layout must be okay. Everything about that blog must be okay, well designed. The navigation, the tabs, and all those things must be perfectly designed. And for you to do that, you don't need to be a web guru. So there are some platforms that you can use. Most of the times I use Blogger to get my blog monetized. So once it's monetized, I'll now move it to WordPress. So because I think it's easier to get monetized on Blogger in sense of designing the blog and a whole lot of things. But it's the same whether you are blogging on WordPress, you are blogging on Blogger, or it's the same. Once you meet their requirements, they will get your blog approved. So let me show you the example of a blog that I'm currently working on to get approved on AdSense. So that I'll be okay. So this is the blog. This is the blog I'm talking about. So I have so many blogs here. You can create new blog. You can create new blog and click on create new. Then you write your blog title. Then they will give you a link URL for your blog. So, but that's not what I'm supposed to do. So this is the blog. Let me just open the blog on. Let me just open. This is the back end. Let me open the blog. This is the blog. Patragist.blogspot.com. So this is the blog layout. This is, as you can see, this design is very cool. I am not the one that designed this. I'm not the one that designed this layout, but this layout is good. I just bought the theme. So let me just open a blog post. So this, are you seeing that? So let me start with, so as you can see, this layout is very okay. The web design is okay, everything about this design is okay. So you can just get this. As you can see, I get this theme from template yard. That's where I get, you can get a free theme, you can buy the theme. I get it from template yard. I'll be dropping the link on the description box below. So once your website is designed properly, then, and make sure your website must have certain pages. Let me go back. Your website must have certain pages like contact us page. You must have contact us page. Where is it? Where is this contact? Let me check up. So yeah, you can have about us page, contact us page, privacy policy page, and terms and condition. These pages, these four pages must be on your blog. So the about us page, let me click on about us and see what is there. You don't need much grammar there. So let me open the about, the page is not even found. The page is not here. So, but when you go to your page, you can see I have about us page. So I didn't connect it very well. So you have about us page, contact us page, privacy policy, and terms and condition. So your contact us page, you can just put your email address, and your phone number, your contact information. Just put your name, your address, and your email address. Or you can create a contact us form. You can use Google contact us form builder to create that and insert it there. Then privacy policy page generator. I use privacy. I have made a detailed video on how to generate a privacy policy page and terms and conditions. So once you watch that, you just do that. So after designing your website very well, then with all these pages, the next that you need to do is your content. Your content, you must have enough content. When I mean, and the content must be, then after designing your website, that's your blog, you have a very good layout, you have all those pages. Then the next is your content, because Google monetize content. So content is the main thing that you must make sure that you have on your blog. You must have enough original content. You must have original content. So that's the main thing. If your content are not original, you will not be monetized on Google. That's the truth. So you must have original content. And originality of the content does not mean that you must be the owner of that content. No. There's no content online on the internet that is original per se. So you can get another person's content, write it, and put it on your blog. And the content also extend to images that you put on your blog. Anything that you put on your blog must be original. So how do we get those images? So let me show you example of some content I have on my blog. Okay, so these are contents. So that I have about 36 blog content posts already here. So before monetizing your blog, make sure that you have more than 30 posts on your blog, and those posts must be more than 500 words. There must be more than 500 words. Sometimes maybe some people might even have 10 posts on their blog. Google will monetize them. Some will have even 15, they will get monetized. But I would advise to have up to 30 posts, not less than 500 words. So let me go through all these posts and see. Let me open these posts and see what is common within them. Let me open like two posts, so that, because this will be a detailed video on how to monetize your blog on Google AdSense. Then you have your title. You have your title. Your title, you can put any title there. So the title must not be original, like having your own title. Then you have your image. I downloaded this image online. I downloaded this image, but I made this image original by editing something. For adding my logo on this image and changing the image name, I've already made this image to be original. So this particular image now, this particular picture is original. So you don't need to go and download any image on Google and put it on your blog. Just do small editing. You can add your logo, you can just write something on the image, then change the image name before uploading it on your blog. Then after that, you put inbound link, inbound link and outbound link. As you can see, this link now is an outbound link. I'm linking to another website. I'm linking to another website. Let me just open it. I'm linking to another website. This is manchestereveningnews.com. So you create this if you want, but and if you want to create this kind of thing, just you can highlight anywhere that you want, highlight any of these, then you go to insert, you go to insert. So you just insert the link of any post, somebody's post in another website, another blog. Then you can just open in a new tab so that it will not be open on your own blog. You open it on a new tab. So that's how to create this outbound link. It's an outbound link because it's directing people, your visitors outside of your blog. So you also format your blog very well. You have your other H tags. This is another outbound link. Then you have your inbound link. You also refer to your blog link or other posts that you have made previously. Then this is just how I format my blog posts. So once you get your blog articles that are free from plagiarism, you can always check for plagiarism. So after writing your blog, or you pay for someone to write your blog for, so you can come to small SEO tool. I will drop in the link on the description box below. Smallseo.com. You open this, you can use this tool to check for plagiarism. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of things that you can do with this on this website. So you can use this. Okay, so you can use this to check for your plagiarism. So after writing your article, you can come here and paste those article. After pasting those articles, you can check for plagiarism. You check for the plagiarism of those article. Or you can still use recently Qboots. Qboots have a new feature on their website. Qboots have a new feature. So let me go to Qboots. They have a new feature on their website that's plagiarism checker. So you can still utilize those that of Qboots. You can still utilize that of Qboots checker. But what I normally use is that of small SEO tool. And always know that Google machine supersede all those things. So know that Google President Checker, when you have 100% with all those two, maybe on Google you may be having 60 or 70% because Google machine supersede all those President Checker. So once you have your blog set, your blog content, and you have 30 or 50 articles per se, then the next to do is to get more traffic. You publish, you post all those your content on Facebook, on your WhatsApp status and all that so that your friends can read about those articles, all those things, post it on Facebook, get more traffic. Then the next is you get small SEO, perform small SEO on those your blog and all those articles. So the SEO is not much. You just go to Google Analytics, sign up on Google Analytics. I've made a video on how to sign up on Google Analytics. I'll also be dropping the link of the Google Analytics on the description box below. So you sign up, this is still loading. Okay, so this is Google Analytics. So you can register your blog on Google Analytics. So you can just go to admin, then you can create a new account. Once you create a new account, then you can link your blog, your account name. After your account name, you just it's very very simple. I've made a video. Then you can add your blog. Then after adding your blog, you also open a Google search console. So you can open a Google search console. Then you index your blog. Make sure that your blog and all your blog posts, articles are already indexed on Google search. If you want to quick index them, you can just put your blog URL here and check whether it's indexed. But when you post after some weeks or days, it will be indexed on Google. As you can see, this particular blog post is already indexed on Google. So, and make sure you submit your Google sitemap. Submit your blog sitemap on Google. Submit your blog sitemap on Google. So once you are done with this, the next to do is to go to Google AdSense, google.com/AdSense. So once you go to google.com/AdSense, you will sign up on Google AdSense. So this is Google AdSense. Just click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you use your Gmail account and sign up and wait for them to approve your blog. So once they approve your blog, boom, you will start making cash using Google AdSense. So I believe you have learned a lot from this, and do well to share this video with your friends and comment, like. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this.